our Nightcast this Friday. A medical exam for former President Rodrigo Duterte was ordered by Pre-Trial Chamber 1 of the International Criminal Court or ICC. One person dead after a UB Express van ran into vehicles in Quezon City. The suspect UB Express driver allegedly lost his temper at a driver he had a close encounter with him.
Another earthquake, a magnitude 6 tremor hits Siargao in Surigao del Norte. A magnitude 5 was also recorded in Ilocos Norte. Storm signal raised in some areas due to Typhoon Ramil. Find out the weather forecast this weekend from GWN Weather Watch.
17 senior citizens rescued from illegal and 50 home care facilities in Bukidnon. And American host and comedian Conan O'Brien will appear as seen in a Kapuso primetime drama.
Good evening.